To obtain a cash advance from a Chase credit card, you can use one of several methods. The first option is to visit a nearby ATM, preferably a Chase ATM, to avoid incurring extra expenses. Once at the ATM, insert your Chase credit card and enter your personal identification number or PIN. If you don't have a PIN or can't remember it, you can call the number on the back of your credit card to create or reset it. After entering your PIN, select the cash advance or cash withdrawal option and enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Review the transaction details, and if everything is correct, confirm the withdrawal. The ATM will then dispense the requested amount of cash. Alternatively, you can visit the nearest Chase Bank branch in person with your card and necessary identification documents and request a cash advance. Another option is to use a convenience check by calling the customer department and requesting a check linked to your credit card account. It's essential to note that when entering the withdrawal amount at the ATM, you should not exceed your credit card's limit. Overall, getting a cash advance from a Chase credit card is a relatively simple process.